Look at that, guys. My orange cat spying my... Move, son, move. This orange cat is spying my another cat here. And he want to attack.
He looks like he might attack.
Yeah. He really want to attack the black and white cat. So,
Mom, did you know Mimi is older than Trixie?
no.
I'm just kidding. Trixie is older. Mimi got it.
Yeah, and there's another cat there. That's mama
Mimi.
cat. Oh, here we go, here we go.
Oh! Oh, no.
Here we go, guys.
Watch. Get away. Oh, no.
Oh,
He's not fighting.
He's spying. Look at that. You want...
Oh.
Here we go. Scared now. You want to go in other... Mimi, where are you going, Mimi?
No.
Stay there. Stay here. Mimi. Just beautiful cat. That's our Trixie. We have 2 cats. Mimi. Mimi. Trixie is looking Mimi.
Oh, that face is about to pop.
No, it's laying. It's laying. Other one want to climb up in the tree.
Oh, I can help him. Hold up.
It's laying down. Na dirty na ng Mimi ni Mama. Trixie, where are you going, Trix?
Oh.
You look mad. Mimi, malon. Mimi, why you look like that? Why you look like that, Mimi? Mimi, it's a big orange cat. Put him down. You really want to attack the white cat there?
Trixie.
They're fighting.
Whoa.
They're
It's a
just
good fight.
They're just playing, guys. They are our cat. And then it's just messing up this white cat because this white cat doesn't want to play with him. Mimi, don't go on the other side.
No, you're not allowed to go on the other side. No.
Oh, my pants are ripping.
Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Ay, magkamera
10,
so big naman
11,
eh.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 40,
Oh, Mimi's
41,
late.
43,
It's
44.
really big orange cat.